I think performing to me is having the opportunity to impact others. And I think that's, I just think it's a very interesting position to be in because people are sitting there in the seats and they have nothing else to do but watch you. And so you have the opportunity to take their time that they're giving you and do something special with it. And whether that means like conveying some message or just entertaining them, it's an important place to be.
So I happen to keep all my yearbooks. The kids love looking at them, even if they weren't here. And this is a picture of Valerie in second grade. And I happened to notice at the back she had written a nice big dramatic purple message, but one of the things she wrote is from actress Valerie. And I do remember her always being interested in acting and performing. And I think we did some little skits and plays in class, and that was something she really enjoyed doing. So I think it was always part of her.
From a really early age, I knew I really liked to perform and I really liked to entertain others, and maybe that comes from being the youngest in a family and always wanting the attention, but yeah, I think from a really young age I knew that this was something I wanted to do. I remember that PA was my first time doing performing arts, and I remember afterward it was something that I knew I wanted to continue to do. I continued into middle school, and my first show was The Prince and the Watermelon. The Prince and the Watermelon was an especially memorable show for me because when I was cast in the show, I was cast as a news reporter, and that character only had a monologue in the show, but the directors wrote a song for me to sing in it. Having them write a song for me was something that I guess boosted my confidence in performing arts and is one of the things along the way that has helped me to continue to pursue it. Since sixth grade, I have been in 3 middle school productions, and this year I'll be doing my 4th high school production. I definitely could not imagine high school without the opportunity to perform. Specifically in a program that really works on students individually and really tries to build them up. So as a young student, I came into the program with no background in musical theater at all, and yet through the years I was able to be worked on as a performer from like an amazing faculty and amazing resources to finally find that this is something that I want to pursue. This past school year, I applied to 25 schools and then went to Chicago in February to audition for 13. After the whole audition process was over, I had 5 offers and 2 scholarships. And I couldn't be more excited to say that I will be studying next year at Ohio University with a BFA in musical theater.